Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we're talking about Park Central. We're going to give you guys a tour of a 2-bedroom condo inside. But first of all, let's talk a little bit about the building itself. Obviously from the name, you can tell it's right next to Piedmont Park. We're just off of Juniper and we're about a block away from the park itself. But I also wanted to talk to you guys about this building because it is so affordable, from the HOAs of the building to the actual purchase price of the unit that you would get inside of the building. It is a very affordable building, and I feel like when you actually put your money into these places, you feel like you're getting it back. A lot of these higher end places here in Midtown, you don't feel so much like you're getting your money back. But we're going to be checking out a 2-bedroom today. It's around $430,000. It's around 1,200 square feet. It's one of the bigger units that you can get as far as the 2-bedroom goes. And when you guys check it out, I feel like you're going to really feel like you're actually getting something out of it. They've done a beautiful job of it. It really has the natural lighting come in very well, and it's a very, very cozy condo. So guys, without further ado, let's get into the video.